Here's how you can know the iPad battery health. So let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So it might slightly depend on the iPad model, but at first, the way that it works is that you open up the settings and see on the left panel that we have the battery section right there. And as you can see, I get to notice my current battery charge and the situation about that, but below I can see the battery health. So there is a dedicated section for that, which I can get inside. It's telling me that the battery health is normal, and I can also see the other information like the maximum capacity, and that is likely the number that you are interested in. So for me, it's 98% after 48 cycles, so that's not probably very good, but it just means that the battery is working for 98% of its capacity currently. And I can also see the manufacturing date and first use below. As I mentioned quickly in the beginning of the video is, well, the iPads kind of vary by that. So if I just bring in here my iPad Pro, which is a little bit older, when I go to the same battery section, even running the latest iPad OS 26, it's not showing me the information about the battery health. And for some reason, it is the case. I'm not sure which models support it and which don't, because there are so many iPad models and it seems kind of random, but like the newer models should definitely display that. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope I was able to help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave your thoughts below and I'll see you in the next videos too.